I'm sharing the presentation further. Where, see, I'll show you where I sounds like E in between words, and I'll try reading you. Try those CVC words can be read by you as we did earlier also. I'll introduce in between. Children, can you see here? So what all things you know, I'll tell you for rest. Come to the short sounds. What's that? Short sound of I, as I told you, it is E. Now my question goes to Arnav. Arnav? Ashvika, next I come to you. So be ready. Arnav, may I hear from you? Okay, I don't find Arnav here. Yoshita. Is Yoshita there in the class? I repeat, Yoshita. Yuvan. Yuvan. Where are you all? I saw you signing in, huh? Yuvan. Alia. Nobody wants to answer.
Yeah, Yuvan is there. Yuvan.
Okay, Yuvan is there. Yuvan?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Yuvan. Yuvan, try reading these small words which are made by sounds. If you will take the sound of individual letter, you can be able to read this 3-letter word. You know the sound of B?
Ba.
Yes. What's the sound of I?
E.
And what's the sound of N?
Na.
It's not na, child. I told you it's Yes. So B, E, bin. What's that? Bin. Yes. Now please help me just reading these for the 3-letter words. These 2 next words. Please help me out. P says what? P says what? Yes.
E.
Yes. N.
E.
What it becomes?
Becomes
P, in, pin.
bin.
Pin. So bin, pin.
Bin.
Try the next one also.
Pita.
Yes.
E.
Yes.
Na.
What it becomes? See, E and na together makes in.
Bin.
Tin. Very good. So see, it should not come in, not like that. So it becomes, when you are joining, that's fine. Bin, pin, tin. All right, Yuvan?
Yes.
So you got it. Very good. Nice. Now I call Inaya. Inaya Gupta. Inaya, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Inaya, see, what we learn when we join I and N together, it's E and in. So B, in, bin, in, pin, to, in, tin. Everybody, students, kindly revise when you are on mute. Now Inaya will help us the next set of letter. What is this? What is this first letter sound?
I-T. It.
So eat, it. What is that? Eat, it. So do you see that here we are using the short sound? So please read this first 3 words for me. This first row, dear. Who is that, children? I am getting the background noise. Kindly mute yourself. I request others. Yes, Yuvan, please mute yourself, my dear. Wait, child. Wait, Inaya. I am opening for you. Yes. Read these 3.
D.
Yes. What's the sound? Yes. What's the sound? Tell me the phonic sound of each and then pronounce the word.
River. I-E.
Yes.
Liter.
So what it becomes? Bit.
Bit.
Very good. Next.
E.
Next one, dear.
Mama can't see. I-T. Mom?
Yes, Alia, you are there. Do you want to ask anything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Alia.
I can hear your voice, but I can't see you.
You can hear my voice. You cannot see me because I'm presenting the screen. Let your friends listen, then it will be your turn soon. Yes, Inaya, tell me this.
Oh, no.
The next one, bit, hit. What's the third one, dear?
I-T. Fit.
It's it, fit. It's I told you the sound, not even fur. It's just you have to blow the air outside. It, fit. Yes. Naya, kindly practice these. I know you can read, but you have to practice this way so that you can understand. Krishna, I just request you later not to talk. So now I call Arina. Arina, can you just read the next set of 3 words? K says what? K says yes. Who is that? Who is that? Yuvan, please mute yourself, child. Yes, Arina, please read that. K-E-T. Kit.
Kit.
Next. Yes. Yes. What becomes? Join them together. K-E-T.
B.
E-T. Pit. Just a minute. I need to mute. Who was that? I'm getting continuously some voice. Okay, fine. Okay, child. The last word, please read. What's that? Next one.
S.
S says, what's the hissing sound of snake? Tell me. Yes. And then IT is E and T makes it. So what it becomes?
It.
It, sit. Children, see, you can read any 2 ways. First of all, when you don't know b, eat, but I told you E and T makes it, eat, it. So bit, b, it, bit, h, it, hit, f, it, fit, f, it, kit, f, it, sit, and sit. All right, children? So parents, I request you, I'll share the snapshot of this slide wherein the child must know the sound together. It will be easy for the child then to mix the phonic sounds. E, n, in. E, n, in. Srishti? Srishti, try reading these 2. I don't want to go for the blends. Just read these 2 words.
What is it?
See, what is E and no together? E and N. E and N together makes E, N, in. E, N, in. Now tell me this first word.
What is sound of F?
F sounds what, dear? Blow the air out. In.
And what is it? What is the sound of this? In. Fin.
Have you seen the beautiful fins the fish are having? Have you seen a fish having fins? The next one, child. What's the sound for K? Letter K.
What is the sound of K? बोलो मैम को बोलो.
K. Very good. And what's the sound for I? That's okay. We will go by first separation, a split sound. What's the sound of I?
I.
E. Very good. And what about N? Yes. So it's skin. Very good. I'll not take the blend, Srishti. Now I call our very new student Ashvika, who has joined today. Ashvika,
Yes, ma'am.
Ashvika, may I hear? See, all your friends are talking here with me. Can we talk to each other?
Gettiga. Anu.
Ash.
Ma'am.
Ashvika, this one, I want this. Leave this a spin because this is a blend. I did not teach you yet, so I'll not take that. I just wanted to tell the short sound. Please read this first 3 words.
Chal. Enti?
What is the sound for B, dear? What's the sound for B?
B.
B.
B sound.
B.
Very good. I sound.
E.
Very good. And what about N sound, my dear?
N ఎలా అంటారు?
N.
N sound. Mm. So just mix that sound. See how we will read. I'll help you. B, E, N, bin. B, E, N, bin. And when you know reading this 2 letter sounds together in, so you can simply say B, in, bin. All right? So parents, this is my request as children learn with their own pace. First, make them read the split sounds and then just paste some these 2 letter diagrams somewhere and ask them that IN is in, E, P, it. Yes, child, I'm getting back to you, Alia. Ig. So they will then see and they can see it. In, it, ig. So that's the secondary step. Yes, Alia, tell me. What do you want to say?
Would I drink water, ma'am?
Yes, you can go for water, but please come soon, my dear. Okay, next is your turn. So, child, where we were, Ashvika, kindly read this second word for me, 3-letter word. B says.
Gettiga. Actually, we can hear a lot of background noise.
Ma'am, right now there is no noise. Right now, it is fine at my end. So I don't know which noise because it's all fine. Fine now. Is it fine with you now, or still the background noise is coming, ma'am?
Now it's bit of.
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Please tell me, Ashvika, try reading this 3-letter word, dear. P says what? What's the